lahat yan. So for the song or composition, who creates the song or the composition? It's songwriters. So sino mga songwriters dito? Yes, so kayo yan. This is where you fall, where you come in. So sino yung mga credited as songwriters? Composers, lyricists, top-liners, songwriters. You are in the creation process of composition. Ngayon, sa creation process pa rin, pag master recording ang pinag-uusapan, sino ba yung mga nakikredit? Who creates the master recording? It's the record producers. If you are a record producer, it could be ang mga nabibigyan ng royalties dyan sa record under that, the master recording, ayan, the singers and artists, the arrangers, musicians, engineers. So all of those fall under the master recording. Magkaiba ang composition, iba ang recording. You can have one composition and several recordings. Okay? Next, after na ma-create siya, ila-license na siya. So, who controls or owns the rights to the composition? Sino nagko-control? It's the publishers, the music publishers. So, it's either you're a music publisher or if you don't have a music publisher, you are a self-published composer. So, wala kang music publisher, you are the publisher. You control the rights to your composition. Yan. So, in the same way, sino naman ang may control or rights dun sa recording? It is the record label. Sila usually yung nag-i-invest dun sa record label, dun sa composition. So, ang record label, sino ba ang record label? It's usually the recording companies. And it could be the individual artists. So those of you, how many of you have released your recordings on Spotify, YouTube? How many of you have done that? Okay. So, pag-aari nyo yung recording, so you are the record label. Okay? But in some cases, artists are signed to a record label. So, ayan yan. Ngayon, pagdating ng license, royalties, alright, so you have basically two kinds of royalties. You have performance royalties and mechanical royalties. So, ang performance royalties, you are owed the performance royalties every time your songs are played. No? So, most of the time, when we're talking about composition, yan, performance royalties. Sorry. Ito medyo mga details na to. No? So, there are performance royalties. There are two kinds of